Hello everyone, I'm Frederick Charest, and today I'm going to present you why you should integrate Dynamics 365 app within your teams. One of the main reasons is to have quick access to the information that's the most important to you and to save time instead of having to open Edge and go into Dynamics 365. Then you can have a quick access to the right information that you wish to have. The first thing you'll need is to go within your apps and to make sure that you're looking for a Dynamics 365 application. Then you'll be able to install that application within your Microsoft Teams. Might be a situation that your Microsoft admin has locked certain applications, so you can do the request to get access to it. Once it's installed, you'll need to go within settings and you'll need to pick the right environment. Here is an example. I'm using our own Gestisoft dev environment, and you select the right application as well, so we can pick Sales Hub. Once everything is set, you'll be able to right click there and to pin the application to make sure it's always on your left and there is always quick access to access the information. And one of the things that I do love is to make sure that I've got access to my dashboard from that. And normally what I do with my sales or marketing team is to make sure that the dashboard that they have, they can get a quick access to the most relevant information they need within the CRM. So this way they don't need to all the time open web browsers to go to the CRM. They can access everything directly from Microsoft Teams. The second thing is for recurring task, what I'd like to do is to add tabs to a specific Teams channel. So as an example, I'll have a tab in the marketing team channel and I'll use Dynamics 365 and I'll make sure to get a view to specific information that's relevant to us. So as an example, I'll put all the Gestisoft open lead within the tab, and this way when we're working on new prospect, new leads or anything like that, we'll have quick access directly from a team and I won't need to do like multiple clicks to get access to that information. So thank you so much today. That were two quick benefits to use Dynamics in Microsoft Teams. Thank you so much.